We stood side by side, passing the plates through the warm water. Rainy afternoons were perfect for laundry. We'd gather around the low table, the sound of the rain.
It's not a hole, it's fashion.
Highly ventilated, custom footwear.
I got it! We can share this one, Mama.
Yes, we can. Let's hurry before the rain stops completely.
I love the blue umbrella. It's perfect.
It looks beautiful.
Let's make this one green.
As the flowers sifted down like fine snow, the rhythmic scraping of the spoon blended the butter and sugar.
With gentle hands, the lemon-scented batter is smoothed into the pan, a cozy treat for a rainy day.
It looks perfect. Oh, the smell. It's wonderful.
You did an amazing job, dear. The rain sounds softer from inside the house. It feels good to be clean.
Everything looks so good.
Go on, try the fish while it's warm.
It's delicious.
In the quiet kitchen, we wash the dishes slowly together.
Outside, the rain tapped gently on the glass, but inside, the little wooden house was filled with warmth and the scent of evening tea.